Hello everyone, welcome back to Steam Code. This is our HTML for Beginners tutorial series part 2, and in this tutorial series, or in this episode, I will show you how to make Hello World in HTML. So first, grab your index.html document. You can do it inside of Notepad, or you can do it inside of VS Code, or whatever you'd like to do it in. And then say doc type HTML, then head tag, and then we're going to set a title using the title tag, and the title will just be Hello World. So let's reload our tab, and as you can see, the title for this is now Hello World. And so now let's put something inside the body, so body. And then I'll show you two methods of placing Hello World on the page. One method is you can use numerous tags. I'll just use P. And then you can say Hello World, save, reload. As you can see, it's right there. Another method is using JavaScript. So you can say script, and then within this, anything that's within those two script tags is JavaScript code that you can use to write to the HTML document. So we can say document.write hello world, and as you can see, it's printed out. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.